Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta. Today I've got a little unboxing for you. So I will get right on with that. It's I had some vouchers to use up for Temu, a little bit of store credit. So one of the things that I picked up was a Latch Hook kit. If you've been watching the channel for a while, I will link to the other couple of Latch Hook kits that I've done in the past. I am by no means an expert, but I do enjoy it. It's a really nice, methodical, relaxing craft to do once you sort of get into a rhythm with it. And it's something that in the past I've worked on very small ones, which means I can do it on the sofa. I don't have to worry about sitting at the desk if I'm not feeling great. So this kit, as you can see, is a lovely big sunflower. It is a rug type one. The ones I did before were technically wall hangings, although they've become cat blankets for the most part. So this one is I think it's 52 by 52 centimeters. So it's still gonna be a very small rug. And it is round. I've never done a round one before. So let's have a look and see what you get in here. So we've got our pattern. Should we get stuck? I always say with things like this, it's always worth keeping hold of them because these can convert quite nicely into diamond paintings. If you've got a blank canvas or an old canvas that you don't want to use, you can use your spare diamonds and turn this into a new diamond painting. So also we've got obviously your instructions for how to loop the yarn. So this is the actual rug, so you can see the size of it. I'll just move you out a little bit so you've got a better idea of the size. This is our tool. It's a very lightweight one, plasticky. I've got a wooden one, which I will probably use because I just prefer it. I do find that if you've got clammy hands like me, then a plastic one's not always a good idea, but you can always wrap it in either washi tape or some, if you've got athletic tape, that works really well. So your basic tool has just got this little wobbly bit here, and that's the latch, if you will, and then you've got a hook on the end. So yeah, I'm sure it'll be fine. I'll give it a go so I can feed back. So this is the back side of our rug, and then this is going to be the front side. So what this means is that when we're threading through, we're only going to thread through the front side, not the back, and then the reverse of all of our work will be hidden. And then I guess this will provide a bit of a non-slip kind of backing for the rug when it's finished. Yeah, you can see it's printed on with the pattern, so you don't have to count every little bit. You can just work as it's printed. This has more colours than I've used before in a canvas. So what have we got? They are DMC colours, which is interesting. So again, you could convert this to cross stitch if you wanted to. So yeah, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 different colours, and then here they are. I have fun putting all this back in the packet afterwards. So it looks like we've got plenty. They are, let's get to one that you can actually see. So they've got a little plastic wrap around them with the letter that corresponds to the letter on here. So that's an R, and it's going to be green, and it's DMC 910. So yeah, they're all marked up, and I would never suggest taking them fully out of these little plastic sheaths. Just pull out bits as you need them, because that way they stay nice and together and are easy to grab. So so far so good. I am hopeful that I mean, the kit includes everything you're going to need, including a tool, which is really nice. Some of them don't include a tool. And it came in at just under £10. As always with things from Temu, I always say if you see something that you like, pop it in your cart and then leave it there for a bit. Quite often they will then send you a discount code for it. and then you can check out with a bit of a discount, which is always nice. So yeah, I'm very pleased. I will get started on this pretty soon, and then I will post you some updates so you can see how it looks. With a round one, I'm not sure where I'm going to start. I guess at the edge, or maybe in the middle. I'm really not sure, but I will follow up as soon as I can so that you can see the progress. I hope that you've enjoyed seeing this today, and let me know down in the comments if you've done this particular kit or if there are any other kits that you have done that you think I might enjoy as well. I have only purchased from Temu, The Range and Amazon as far as purchasing latch kits come. So do let me know if you've got some other shops or sites that you would recommend. I'm going to leave this here. Thank you so much for joining me today. And until next time, stay crafty.